It's with great excitement that we look forward to the 25th IFFK. After so much uncertainty and actually so much build-up, we were looking forward to this edition, and unfortunately we had to truncate our dreams. But it's really important we are doing this because we think it's a process of healing. We think that culture is the one way which is going to bring us all together. Of course, the audience being the center of the festival, we are traveling with it. 4 cities, same films all over. Number of days reduced, very strong adherence to COVID protocols.
Due to COVID and social distancing, the number of delegates in Koravan, I think people are a bit skeptical also about interacting with each other. Earlier IFFKs was a bit fun. We had people coming from different places in Kerala, outside Kerala. It was like a get-together, reunion sort of thing. But this time many people have opted out. And some regulars have opted out. So, different IFFK this time.
We have Jean-Luc Godard getting the Lifetime Achievement Award. He's 90, he would not otherwise have been able to travel. We are more honored really that he is there, going to be present with his films and a conversation and reception of the acceptance of the award. We also have Meera Nair in the Arvindan Memorial Lecture. It was very interesting how she said Arvindan was actually an inspiration. She saw Tamba and that was one of the films that inspired her to make Salaam Bombay. So yes, we have an interesting program. Not so many films, only 80 films. But as usual, 12 very interesting Malayalam films. Malayalam films is catching the eye of everybody all over the world. So here are 12 films. Unfortunately, you can't come many people from outside. Nobody from outside the country is able to come. But some filmmakers, etc. are traveling. And the world cinema section is the one that is going to be a little truncated. We pay homage to people who have passed away. But I think will be a satisfying experience, and we really look forward to this sense of coming together, even with all this social distancing and masks and all that. We really look forward to it was so nice this morning to come and see everybody here and just say, oh, everybody is here together again.